Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to show you guys how I made this cute fedora hat wig. Super cute for the holidays. Okay, let's get right into this video. So here's a fedora hat. I got it from the hair store for like $11, $12, I believe. Yes, this is the hair that I'm going to be using. This is Organique's Water Curl. I got it in the inch 30, the color 1. And this hair was only $12.99, ladies. Now I'm going to be taking my hot glue gun and my hot glue sticks. And this is what I'm going to be using to attach the hair to the actual hat, okay? So now you'll see me pulling out this little middle part. I don't know what you want to call it. The thing that's supposed to make it tight around your head. You're going to pull this out. And this is where we're going to be gluing the tracks to. Now, I did realize once I finished this video that I did do it backwards, but this method still works. Like, you can still do it this way and it works. I will make another video, though, doing it another way as well. Okay, so let's get into doing the hair. So this is how the hair looks straight out the pack. Just wanted to show you ladies what it looks like. And then I'm going to be showing you where I'm going to be placing the track at. I want mine to be pretty full in the front. I don't want to have like my edges exposed or nothing like that. So I'm just going to be bringing it up a little bit more farther in than you would if you want to show your edges and stuff like that. So I'm just going to be taking my hot glue gun. Of course, when you're working with a hot glue gun, you want to work fast. Hot glue does dry, and you also want to be careful because it is hot, okay? Even though it's from the Dollar Tree, if you get one from the Dollar Tree, it is hot, okay? So be careful. So you just got to work fast, though, and just place a track. I usually just do sections at a time. Just take your time and do the glue, put a little bit on, and then add the track on. Then repeat the step until you come all the way around the hat. Also, this was very difficult, too. Not to underestimate it because the actual broom part of the hat is in the way. So you really have to kind of look and maneuver under, which you'll see me doing a lot through this video, just to make sure that you can see where you're placing it at and things like that. So this is what it should look like when you're finished gluing your first track. Very super simple, super easy. Now I'm just going to be adding some more tracks onto it, of course. My very next track, I'm going to be adding it right to the top, on top of this track. And then I'm just going to keep layering it up because, of course, the bandwidth is not that thick. So in order to have a kind of full look of the hair, you gotta need to double track your hair, okay? And that's what I'm going to be doing in these next couple clips. And also, don't worry if the glue kind of gets in the hair or around the hair or anything like that. You can definitely just pull it right off as soon as it dries. It's not a issue, ladies. Okay, ladies, this is me gluing down my last track. Okay, once I got the hair glued on, now I'm just going to be pulling those curls out. You know, I like fluffy hair, big fluffy hair, of course. So I'm just going to be pulling those curls out, and I also did cut this hair just because I didn't like it as much long, and it came out so much better and cuter to me shorter. So yes, this is what the hair looks like, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Send a friend to my channel, and see you next video.